Rich Johnston. I'm the Director of Hosting Platforms at Carrier Corporation. At Carrier, our goals for driving observability is to really improve the overall vision that we have, get to that single pane of glass view of our environment, so we can truly see everything we have, see how it's performing, and become more of a predictive digital experience for us rather than a reactive experience. Some of the top challenges we were looking to solve with implementing a tool like LogicMonitor was to have a better view of what things are happening in our environment and when. We don't want to wait for our customers to call us to complain and say there's a problem. We should know in advance that there's a problem. The biggest benefit that we've had at Carrier by implementing a tool like LogicMonitor is that single pane of glass view of everything we have. Doesn't matter which cloud platform it is or anything that we have on premise, whether it's networking, compute, storage, pretty much anything that touches our network, we're able to monitor that now. Just a year and a half ago, we didn't have that extensive view of our environment. There's a lot of neat features within LogicMonitor that we're able to add and take advantage of to make everything from executive dashboards to meaningful operational dashboards that are very detail-oriented. Carrier, we've been able to leverage LogicMonitor to help us in several different situations that we got into because of either hardware failures or failures in our environment because of a bad software patch. We had one in January where Microsoft released a patch that had some quality issues. It took out our Active Directory environment. It took days before a fix came out, but we were able to leverage the visibility that LogicMonitor brought to our environment to help us gain control faster and stay ahead of things and give confidence into our executive leadership team that we knew what was going on and we had a handle on what was happening. Without unified observability in our environment, we would take longer to solve problems. By implementing a tool like LogicMonitor, by reducing the amount of time it takes to identify root cause of problems, shorten our time to get things back up and running again. I think for anyone who's currently evaluating monitoring tools in the market today, whether it be LogicMonitor or other competitors, the key thing we found to look at was how easy is it for you to quickly deploy a dashboard on the fly, introduce new technology, and how quickly can that tool give you data or information about how that new technology is performing in the environment. I think the extensibility of LogicMonitor for us has shown to be that it's much more of an agile player in that market versus some others. I think the simplicity and ease for which we were able to deploy LogicMonitor has been a real win for us.